This is his third and last visit. His treatment plan is 3 visits. So what are you expecting to happen right now, man?
My spine popped.
Okay. All right. Teeth on teeth. Don't bite your tongue. Breathe through your nose. There we go. Looks like relief to me. How you feeling?
Like in the sky.
In the sky. That's what you said last time too. Yeah. Feels light.
Yeah, it feels way better.
Okay, did you feel it release and stretch everything?
Oh yeah.
That's fantastic.
Way better.
Yeah.
It just gets better.
All the pain you originally came from, kind of gone.
Oh yeah, it's gone.
It's gone. And how many years did you have those pains for? Yeah. That's awesome.
This is you can't.